Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how do you factory reset a iPhone or iPad in 2024. So firstly, you have to go to settings from your iPhone. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find here general, this option general. Click on this. Scroll down to the last and you'll find here transfer or reset iPhone. Click on this. And you have to click on the second option, which is erase all contact and settings. Click on this. Now you'll find here all of your backups, Apple ID, find my phone, wallet. You have to click on continue. Click on erase iPhone. Now you have to press the password from your iPhone. It is now backupping. You have to hold on. After backup, you have to write here your Apple ID password, and then you have to click on OK or erase iPhone. Then your iPhone will be starting to reset. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.